Hey guys, we're gonna be doing my makeup, get ready with me to go nowhere, shopping my stash. Yeah, I'm just gonna be using products that I've had. Don't really know what kind of look I'm gonna be doing. Have no clue. Yeah, I just want to chat and chill with some makeup, so let's do it. In fact, I'm gonna just use these Hello Kitty ears headband and get my hair up out of the way. I'll probably look ridiculous, but what's new? This is my channel. Peep the Inuyasha on my shirt. If you know Inuyasha, you know. It's a good show. That'll at least get the... Let's see what I look like. I can't even see because I don't have my glasses on. Oh, I look lovely. Look at that zip. Woohoo! Anywho, we're covering it all up. Let's go from tragic to a little bit more glam, even though we have nowhere to go. Eyeshadow primer. Use it. Love it. So yeah, I just don't know how I'm surviving this summer because it is so hot in Tennessee and it hasn't rained in like 2 weeks. So yeah, that's my complaint. I like the rain, so when it doesn't rain it really makes me sad. I feel like everything is dying outside. This is a contender. This is the Michaela Glam Light palette. She's a beaut. Whenever I use her, I really like whatever my makeup turns out like, so I got the Culture palette by Juvia's. She's beautiful too. I just feel like, I don't know. I think I want to go with the Michaela one. Some of these brushes I'm about to use are not good. They're from Temu. So if my makeup looks whack, that's why. I don't have good tools. All my brushes are always constantly dirty. Constantly. I mean constantly dirty. And I do not always wash them. Let's see if we have some more brushes over here. I mean, they're just covered in cat hair. Why do I want to use this weird puke green color called Loop? I have never used that before. It's like a pea green. Let's use it. It'll probably look like a bruise on my eye. Let's see if I can get you any closer. For my precise makeup application from a professional. I'm just kidding, I'm not a professional. My life has been very uneventful since I came back from the fair. Well, I went to a children's birthday party. That was fun. Other than that, I haven't really been doing anything. I would talk to you about an endeavor I'm working on, but I've got to make sure it works out first. I don't want to go on here and spill everything about my life and then it just not work out. So, okay, there's that color. Ooh, okay, I'm going to take the color next to it, Freetown, which is like a turquoise color, and I'm going to deepen that up. And I'm just going to use this little teensy brush and hope I don't make this look crazy. I'm just going to try to like paint a line with that shade on my lid. Because this brush basically makes a line. do the same thing on the other eye, of course. Okay, you got 2 lines on your eyes and some green. Perfect. Now let's try to find a shade to go in between those two. We might have to reach into another palette. Okay, I'm gonna try to do, I don't know how this is gonna look. I'm gonna use the Culture palette, and I'm gonna use the shade Afro Beats. I look like a crypt keeper. Do you see how dark my under eye circles are? I was born with those. And I'm just gonna do it above the line. I feel like I'm losing the other shade. So go back in with that Freetown, wait, I can't even show you. That Freetown shade from the Michaela palette, the turquoise, and reline. Do you always have one eye that turns out better than the other? For me, this eye always turns out better than this eye. I'm just gonna put some concealer on the back of my hand so I can cut the crease with the concealer. I haven't done a cut crease in like 27,000 years. So, if this looks like crap, oh well, I guess. Okay, then I'm gonna put a shimmer in the cut crease. So this is what the cut crease is looking like. Don't know why I did it. I'm just running over here. I'm gonna use the shade Stunning, which is a shimmery lime green. It looks awesome, basically. These shades are very crumbly, these shimmery shades. I really don't even watch Michaela that much on TikTok. I just bought this palette because I like the colors. So, but good for her and all her success. Imagine being that big and just blowing up overnight on TikTok. Okay, then I'm going to take the shade right next to it called Bonehead. I think that's this shade right here on the same brush. Because I'm a bonehead. Being a bonehead. That's what you get for being a bonehead. Okay, here's how it's looking. I don't know if you can tell. I'll zoom in. It's a little all over the place, but whatever. Very green. Taking Le Makeup Remover wipe and wiping it all off. No, I'm just kidding. I'm really not that great at doing eyeshadow. I just have fun and record it, basically. Which is what you all should do. If you want a YouTube channel, don't care about what anyone thinks. Just have fun and do it. It's a nice hobby to have. Smother it around. It makes your face pretty dewy and tacky, and so your makeup can grip onto it. Y'all already know. I haven't had it for that long. But they say you're supposed to use this and allow it to set for 30 seconds. By the way, we're not done with the eyes. I just do like the eyeliner and everything last, because I feel like that's when you see it all come together. I don't know. Still light enough outside. I'll show you my makeup outside if it's when I get finished. I don't know if it will be. I don't know what time the sun sets anymore, but it's 6:50 right now. I love this product, this Misha BB cream, because it's glowy. If you don't like glowy, don't get this. But I like glowy, and just set it down with a little bit of Halo Glow setting powder. I want to look illuminated. For the sake of my under eyes, you saw the state that they were in. I want to do a little concealer. I don't always wear concealer. I don't always care. I'm like, yeah, I got under eye bags, so what? Okay, now for powder. You set that with e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. And mine's an absolute mess because I spilled out way too much one day and I just left it all in the cap. And I always set the tip of my nose and my cheeks. Because I don't think anybody wants the tip of their nose to look oily. That's where you're trying to combat the oil. Okay, I'm trying to work fast here. So you can, I think it would be a really cool thing for you to see my makeup in the sunlight. Because I think that will show like it looks better out in the natural light. Which we have some natural lighting coming in from the window. And I think when I'm out, that's just the best way my makeup looks, is when you're out in the sunlight. That's when you can really tell, okay, she did a good job blending and stuff like that. Which, not to say that I did, but my makeup always looks better when I'm outside. As long as it's not melted off. Which my makeup rarely melts off. I'm telling you, my face does not produce oil. That's why I put all this oily crap on me. All this dewy crap. My face does not produce oil. Using the Juvia's Place Blush Volume 4. This is beautiful. I combined both shades. Then, we need a little highlighter. So I used the Hard Candy Fix My Halo Just Glow Stay Glassy highlighter. Got this from Walmart.com. I just found this green Urban Decay pencil in Electric Empire. Some Lancome Idol mascara. Hopefully that focused. My eyes are so watery right now. I haven't done a makeup video in so long because my allergies are crazy. My eyes water like every day. I hardly ever even wear makeup anymore because of my allergies. My eyes just water all day long. I probably need to go to the eye doctor and ask them why. My eyes are watering. Ugh. Okay, we'll put on a quick lip. That is so cute. I love the way this makeup is turned out. Okay, time for me to go show you in sunlight. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, share, and subscribe. And until next time.